Hello, I'm Sumit, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Bangalore. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the EC2 Rescue tool to troubleshoot issues with your Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud Windows instance. Let's get started. EC2 Rescue for Amazon EC2 Windows is a troubleshooting tool that's designed to help you resolve various issues with your EC2 Windows Server instances. It can help you troubleshoot connectivity issues, boot problems, and other OS level issues. You can also use it to collect advanced logs and configuration files for further analysis. First, let's go over the system requirements for EC2 Rescue. Your EC2 Windows instance must be running Windows Server 2008 R2 or later, have .NET Framework 3.5 SP1 or later installed, and be accessible through an RDP connection. There are three main ways to use EC2 Rescue. First, use the System Manager AWS Support Execute EC2 Rescue Automation document. Navigate to the System Manager console, open Automation, and then execute Automation workflow. This automates the EC2 Rescue steps through AWS Lambda, AWS System Manager, and AWS CloudFormation. Keep in mind that this will stop your instance, so any data on instance store volume will be lost. Use the AWS Support Run EC2 Rescue for Windows tool runbook. Open Run command and then choose Run command. Search for AWS Support Run EC2 Rescue for Windows tool, and then choose Run command. This allows you to run EC2 Rescue commands like reset access, collect logs, or fix all directly from the console. Run EC2 Rescue manually. To do this, RDP inside the instance, download EC2 Rescue zip file, extract the files, and run EC2 Rescue. You can run the EC2 Rescue GUI or the AWS command line interface to troubleshoot connectivity issues with the Diagnose and Rescue feature, fix boot issues with the Restore feature, or collect logs for analysis. EC2 Rescue has two main modes: current instance mode and offline instance mode. Current instance mode analyzes the running instance and lets you capture logs. You can use offline instance mode to select and analyze an offline volume to diagnose issues and perform automated rescue or restore actions. Note that in offline instance mode, you must attach the root volume of faulty instance on another working Windows instance as a secondary volume and then run the tool on that instance. In offline instance mode, you can use features like Diagnose and Rescue to fix common configuration issues that prevent RDP connections or cause status check failures. You can use the Restore feature to boot to the last known good configuration or restore the registry from a backup. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.